Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to have you here today for episode 2 of our AI Research Agent series. Today we are not just setting up the environment, we are diving into ArXiv, understand its importance and writing code to extract data from it. This episode is packed with value. So let's get started. Before we dive into the code, let's talk about ArXiv. It's an open access repository for academic papers, specifically for computer science, physics, and mathematics. Researchers often search preprint here, making it a goldmine of information for AI projects like ours. We will use ArXiv to pull research paper on AI and build a dataset to fuel our AI research agent. Understanding this data source is a key to making our projects effective. First, let's install the required libraries. I have already prepared a requirement.txt file with everything listed. This will make our installation super easy. Let's turn to Jupyter Notebook and show you how. Before opening Jupyter Notebook, I want to mention that I created a requirement.txt file that contain all the required libraries that we need, and this file is located in the same directory as the Jupyter Notebook we are going to use for this series. Now let's turn to Jupyter Notebook. To install the requirement, just run the following command. This will install all the libraries we need like LangChain, LangGraph, ByPDF, Pandas, and more. Once the installation is complete, we are ready to dive into coding. Now that we have our environment ready, let's write the code to extract data from ArXiv. I will show you the code and then I will explain it step by step. First, we import the libraries we will use. Request to fetch data from ArXiv's API. Pandas to handle and organize the data. JSON is to save the data in a structured format. Element tree from the XML module to parse the XML response from ArXiv. The ArXiv underscore namespace variable is defined to match ArXiv's XML format. This will help us extract the correct elements when we parse the data. Next, we define a function extract from ArXiv. This function takes a search query, which specifies what kind of paper we want, and by default it is AI related. Accept maximum underscore result, which limits how many paper to fetch, and the default value is 100. Uses JSON file path to specify where the data will be saved. Then after that, we construct the URL for the ArXiv API by embedding our query parameters into it. This URL tells ArXiv what papers we are interested in and how many results to return. We then use the request.get method to send a GET request to the API and retrieve the data. This will return an XML response containing the requested papers. The response is in an XML format. We parse it using elementtree.fromString, which converts the XML into a tree structure we can navigate. After that, we initialize an empty list called paper. This will store the details of each paper we extract. And then we loop through each entry in the XML tree, where each entry represents a single paper. Inside the loop, we extract the title and summary of the paper and clean any extra spaces. Next, we extract the author, as each paper can have multiple authors, so we loop through all the author elements and collect their names into a list. Next, we get the unique URL of the paper and extract the ArXiv ID by splitting the URL. The ArXiv ID is useful for referencing the paper later. After that, we look for elements with the title PDF, which point to the paper's PDF file. If no such link exists, we set it to none. Then we create a dictionary for each paper with its detail and add it to the paper list. After that, we convert the papers list into a pandas data frame for easier analysis, and we save it as a JSON file. The ended equal 4 ensures the file is human readable. And finally, the function returns the data frame so we can use it in our project. Let's run the code cell and make sure everything is working fine. And it runs successfully. And now, since the function is ready, we can test it by running the following code. Alright, now it's time to test our function and see it in action. Let's run the extract from ArXiv function and check the result. We start by calling the extract from ArXiv function. We set the maximum result to 20, which means that this fetches 20 research papers from ArXiv and saves the data into a JSON file. Let's run the code cell. And we get the result, data saved to file archive_dataset.json. So once the function runs successfully, we see this message confirming that the data has been saved in the specified file. Next, we use Python JSON module to load the data from the saved JSON file. This allows us to read and review the content easily. And finally, we print the data to verify that the detail of the research paper has been fetched and saved correctly. Let's run the code cell. And we get the result. As you can see, the title here, dynamic backtracking summary, and this means that our function is working as expected. And now that we have loaded the data, let's take a quick look at it using pandas. We start by importing pandas library and converting our JSON data into a pandas data frame. This makes it much easier to analyze and manipulate the data in a tabular format. To get a quick preview of the dataset, we use sample method to display 5 random entries. Let's run the code cell. This helps us ensure that the data looks as expected and contains all the necessary details such as title, summary, authors, archive ID, URL, and the PDF link. And that's it for today's episode. We installed our requirements, explored ArXiv, and created a script to extract valuable data. In the next episode, we will start processing this data to make it useful to our AI research agent. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a like and share it with friends, and let me know in the comment what you are most excited to learn next. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell so that you don't miss episode 3. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.